In 1975, tragedy struck the Indian city of Morvi when the Machu 2 dam failed, releasing a torrent of water. Over 5,000 people lost their lives in the flash floods, as homes were swept away and streets turned into rivers. Families were separated in the chaos, with countless survivors left to grapple with trauma in the aftermath. This catastrophic event prompted an urgent change in dam safety regulations across India, ensuring stricter oversight. Today, memorials honor those who suffered, reminding the nation of a day when water became both a source of life and a harbinger of death.